Hi guys, welcome to Healthspectra.com. Ayurvedic treatments for glowing skin. Everyone wants clean and clear skin, don't they? With the kind of pollution that we are exposed to, it is often tough to keep the skin in the best possible condition, which is why it is best suggested to ensure that you do keep opt for Ayurveda. If you have tried all means, it is time to make switches. Ayurveda does help bring out the inner glow without imposing any negative impacts on the skin. It is important that you test out different ones to see what suits you best. Milk. Raw and cold milk helps prevent the excess melanin secretion, which further helps bring better glow to the skin and prevent discoloration and patchiness that could hamper the glow altogether. Turmeric and rice flour. The combination of turmeric and rice flour exfoliates the dead skin cells, gets rid of the excess oil secretion, and thus helps in getting rid of the blemishes and boosting the skin glow from within. Aloe vera and honey. Aloe vera and honey both has skin repairing and healing properties, which have been found to have beneficial impacts in helping boost the skin health by penetrating into the layers, thus bringing glow. Figs. The application of figs with cold milk has been found to have beneficial impacts in helping with the discoloration and the problems that could end up making the skin look dull. Coconut oil and honey. Much like the aloe vera and honey combination, even coconut oil and honey help nourish the skin from within, thus helping bring out the inner glow with ease. Sandalwood and rose water. Sandalwood is very healing on your skin, and the rose water acts as a toner, helping soothe the irritation and redness on the skin. The combination of the two helps bring out the inner glow. Gram flour, rose water and honey. Yet another one of the effective Ayurvedic treatments for glowing skin has to be the combination of gram flour, rose water and honey, which nourishes and moisturizes the skin from within. Lemon and honey. Lemon helps in slight bleaching of the skin, while the honey moisturizes the skin from within. The combination is actually amazing in boosting the inner skin glow without imposing side effects. Olive oil and lemon juice. Lemon juice gets rid of tan and dark spots and blemishes, while the olive oil has been found to have beneficial impacts in helping with bringing out the inner glow on the skin. Banana and honey. The combination isn't just good for breakfast, but for your skincare routine as well. Both banana and honey have moisturizing properties, helping bring out the inner glow on the skin. Saffron and olive oil. While olive oil is associated with the moisturization of the skin, saffron has been found to have beneficial impacts in helping get rid of the boosting the even skin tone and helping get the glow. Yogurt and honey. The combination of yogurt and honey helps in boosting the skin tone and texture by moisturizing the skin and helping nourish the skin to help boost the inner glow as well. Which one of these Ayurvedic treatments will you try out? Join our WhatsApp subscription for latest health articles delivered right to your mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.